Hello, this video is to introduce about Ge'ez language. So we can pronounce the name, this name as Ge'ez, Ge'ez, and it's in its own alphabet. It is written like this, Ge'ez, Ge'ez, and it has its own script. So the set of alphabets for this language or Ge'ez language are called Fidel, and we can see the set of alphabets from literatures like this one. Okay, this is literature then for morphological analysis of Ge'ez by this author. So actually, totally Ge'ez have 26 basic characters, and each 26 characters have seven different sounds, and for each sound they have their own character, a bit modified character from the first order. So we can use this transliteration to understand the alphabets. The first, this is for example, is ha. This character is ha. In the second order is who, who, ha, who, he, ha, he, ho, like that. And this sound, this letter represents the sound la, lu, li, la, le, lo. They are in the same pattern. There is a pattern for each sound. Who, lu, who, like that. He, li, he, like that. Yeah. This is also ha, who, he, ha, he, ho. So with like such like pattern, all these 26 characters will be the sound is like that. It have a pattern. So if a person can understand this, the first order set of alphabets, then it will be easy to understand the rest, the six forms. So this is ha, le, ha, me, se, re, se, ke, be, te, ha. Yeah, there are some repeated sounds with different characters. Okay, this is ne, a, ke, we, a, ze, ye, de, ge, te, se, se. This is sorry, pa, sa, two similar similar sound for two characters. Sa. They have their different usage. That is why are representing the same sound is different two characters. Yeah. Fa. This is fa, pa, pa. Yeah. If we say here, for example, like as we see before, if we say here pa, then pu, pa, pu, pi, pa, pe, p, po, like that. Fa, fu, fi, fa, fe, f, fo, like that. And there are some additional characters here. For this one, we can refer the Wikipedia, like it explains them as labiovelar variants. Yeah, these are the regular consonant characters. Like here, we obtain them here, like this. So from this one, these are the labialized variants. There are 4 labialized variants in Ge'ez, and these the four have their own formats. Five different vowels. They use the five vowels to have more sounds represented, because in Amharic language a sound is represented by a single character. So this is qa, this is sound qa, q, qa, qi, this is qi, qa, que, q, like that. Hua, hui, hua, he, hu, qua, qui, qua, que, q, qua, qui, qua, que, q. Yeah, they have some additional 4 times 5, 20 this much characters, totally 26 times 26 times 7 plus 4 times 5, it has that much amount. It's around 202 alphabets, sorry. Okay, so this is just a simple introduction for the alphabet and the romanization of the Ge'ez set of alphabets or characters. And yeah, there is some difference between Ge'ez and Amharic language. Even if they are related, they have some difference. This is about for Ge'ez. And we can refer from Wikipedia. It has some very good explanation about that. This is a set of Amharic, which is derived from Ge'ez. Ge'ez is a base for Amharic, the development of Amharic. Okay, so oh sorry. So the difference. There are some different sounds that are specific for Amharic, and they are represented with a different letter. So for example, here this sound is she in Amharic, but there is she sound in Ge'ez. So in order to, since previously there was only Ge'ez alphabet, and when Amharic came or evolved, it modified this letter for its proper sound. So this is sa, and this is she. Actually, this sound also exists in Amharic. All these sounds exist in Amharic also, and additional sounds for specific to Amharic. They have modified set of alphabets to represent specific sounds for Amharic. So this is ba, for example. Ba exists both English and Amharic, and this is Amharic sound only. So ba, ba. Ta, this is ta. This is che. Okay. Ta, che, like that. Oh, sorry. Okay. So this is de, and this is je, modified character for the Amharic sound. This is ta, ta, common both for both, and this is che. Che is only Amharic sound. Che sound doesn't exist in Ge'ez. Yeah. And this is na, and this is nye. This is za, and this is je, je, za, je, like that. So if we can have some observation, then all these modified characters add some yeah, there is a horizontal artifact on all these characters. So actually these status have their own seven forms, yeah, as we have seen before, like here for example, if we want to see if we want to see from this one, we can see that, yeah, Amharic, this one, for example, this is on 4 formats, and it has another additional here. So while we are referring to this one, we assume that it have already the 7 forms. Yeah, she, shu, she, sha, she, sho, like that. Okay, and here we can see that there are similar sounds, as we have seen before. There are similar sounds with different meaning. Similar sounds represented by different alpha characters or letters. This and this have the first letters here for the two words have the same sound. Saraka. Here we say saraka. Here also we say saraka. But the meaning for this one, for this saraka, is that means it becomes visible, like the sunrise. We say saraka. Yeah. And for this one is for representing a thief, which a thief takes away something. We express that one, we say saraka, and this represents the same sound but a different meaning. That is why we have similar sounds represented with different characters. And actually some other characters represent they have, this is only for convention. But if we use different character, then there will be no change in meaning, but it's out of convention. Yeah, for example, Negus means king. So this should be written like that, but there is another option to write this word, like we can write like Negus, like this one. This is also pronounced the same as this one, but this is out of convention. This character is here to represent other words. Yeah, to represent other words, not used for this one. So this one is impossible to use. Okay, like derived words from or similar words, like here okay, here for example, Mangist means government, which is related to king, and it should be written like that, like this one. Not we cannot write we cannot write like Mangist, like this one. This is unconventional. This character and this character they have similar sound, but the government must be written with this character. Yeah, there is such a convention in the Giz language. And this also Esat means fire. So it should be written with this character, not this one. So these have also the same sound. We can pronounce it similarly, sat to mean fire, but we have to write with this one, not this one, even if they have the same sound. Yeah. Okay, this is one case for Giz. And actually there are many words. Yeah, this is for demonstration example. Okay, when we come to the reading tones for Giz language, like Mandarin, I think in Mandarin there are four 4 tones. So and it has also some indicators like this one. Similar to that one, English also there are 4 reading tones. The one we say tanish, this we read like saraka, like this one, tanish. It ends with a higher tone, saraka, and this is also a bit similar, Gabriel, but the difference with the two is this one finishes with 6 order. We say that there are 7 forms for each letter, the first letter, like this one, le, lu, li, la, le, li, lo. So this is the 6th order. If a word, this word, like a word to be having such a tone ends with a 6 character, then it's called Sayyaf Tanish. This is Tanish, this is Sayyaf Tanish. We call it Sayyaf Tanish. I think there is no meaning in English. That is why I used the plain Ge'ez nomination. Yeah, Saraka. This is the first. Saraka, and this is Gabriel is a 6 position from here. We say we nominate is a different as having a different tone, and this is another tone. We say besaga, like little or politeness, such a polite. It seems polite. Besaga is the tone is represented as wadaki, is called wadaki, like wadaki tone. Okay, besaga. If this tone finishes similarly with the 6th order, we say it that I. So, and actually it has some slight difference. We like besaga, we say besaga. For this one we say dingil, not dingle, but dingle. Yeah, it is shorter, and this have some longer ending. Besaga, dingle, like that. Besaga, dingle, besaga, dingle. Yeah, the last word, the last character for this one have some longer duration, but this one is shorter duration. Besaga, dingle, like that. Yeah. So there are 4 words, 4 tones, and actually in the script, unless we already know, there is no indication to indicate whether it is in this tone or in this tone or this one or this tone. It needs to study manually. If someone need to tell us to know how to read the word, each word. So this is one disadvantage, and there may be a future work also to improve this one. Yeah, it may need some improvement, such indication how to pronounce. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so these are some important literatures I have seen. They have important introduction for scholars that can be understood by scholars. Yeah, like this. This is some introduction about Ge'ez language. So maybe in the future I will try to make some other audio or video how to read and understand this literature, but it may be even understood a little bit. Yeah, these characters, these literatures can give some insight about the language. Here we can understand a bit about the Ge'ez and Amharic languages, because they are very similar with some little difference. Yeah, here we can understand. And the literatures, the link for the literatures here is a link for the literatures. Okay, I think this may be enough for simple introduction about Ge'ez, and in the future I will try to do other videos or audios like that, like this. Thank you. Okay, thank you.